The first talk is How to Learn Any Language in 6 Months by Lonsdale. You can watch this talk on YouTube, and it's one of those that have subtitles in Spanish. To activate the subtitles, you only have to click on this icon in the player to activate them. Usually the subtitles appear in English, so to activate those that are in Spanish, just click on this icon, then on the subtitles option, and then look for the one that says Spanish. Now you can see them. The same can be done with the other talks that we will review in this course. So the method that Chris Lonsdale is sharing consists of 5 principles and 7 actions, which I will describe right now. Principle number 1. Focus on language content that is relevant to you. At the beginning of the course, I said that we are going to focus on excelling in a job interview. So, if that is your goal, you have to focus mostly on English content related to a job interview, and not spend your time on things that are not related to the interview. Principle number 2. Use your new language as a tool to communicate from day one. This is very simple to understand and also logical, because the more you use the little English you learn, the faster you will memorize it. Principle number 3. Physiological training with the language. Speaking a new language is about learning to produce new sounds. That implies different ways of using the muscles of your face and mouth, so you will physically feel the fatigue that it entails. Principle number 4. Psychological training. This is because you have to prepare mentally for the long journey of learning a new language, which is what we have done so far in this course. Psychological state matters. It means that when you are learning English, you have to enjoy it. You have to be in a relaxed emotional state, because it will be practically impossible to learn something when you are sad or angry. There are also 7 actions that are mentioned to achieve it. Action number 1. Listen as much as you can of the language. In this case, you can listen to music, audiobooks, conversations, everything you can. Action number 2. Focus on understanding the meaning first. If you do not understand a phrase, try to understand the meaning by helping yourself with the body language, expressions, and the environment. Action number 3. Start mixing. Use the few words you know to ask or say things, no matter how simple they are. Action number 4. Focus on the most important. It means to focus on the most important words and phrases. Action number 5. Get someone to help you in the language. This can be done online, and you will learn how to do it in the next videos. Action number 6. Copy the face. When you see a native of the language, try to imitate the gestures of the face when he is speaking. Action number 7. Connect the language directly to images. This is something that I will devote a video later because of the great importance it has.